VTC oil screen replacement right now. As you guys can see, this one's kind of shot. Look at that. Some debris. I mean, I could have probably just cleaned that off, but honestly, I was like, why not? I'm already, you know, this far. So we got the old gasket off right here. It's all freaking dry and stuff. And here's the new one. The JDM k24a's, if you're wondering what parts fit, I'm going based off of everything that's a 2004 and 2005 Acura TSX K24A2, which is the USDM, and all the parts that I've got so far, such as the new motion springs. Obviously, everything seems to be interchangeable, so I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. It's fresh. New gasket is on right there, the screen for the VTC. I believe that's what it's called. So it goes right in here. Good operating screen that's going to catch any loose particles. Here's the part number if you guys are wondering. It's the filter assembly VTC. Alright guys, pulling up Harbor Freight Tools right now. Out here, Harbor Freight on the clock, but we got some downtime today. About to grab a 1-ton foldable shop crane. So this is what's been delaying the process, guys. Like, I just kept saying, oh, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get this, and I just been putting it off every week. So once I get this, I can get the K24 onto my engine stand. Just checking out these lights right now, guys. I'm trying to decide which one I want to get. You gotta love Harbor Freight though. This store is just... All right, so good morning everybody. Starting a day off. I just want to show you guys the cylinder head right here. I know a lot of you guys are asking me what the heck is going on with everything, so figured I'd fill you guys in. Also, you gotta peep the new light, guys. Look at how bright this thing is. Look at that. And you'll see more videos of this when we're outside doing night work. And let me shut that off. It's like making black waves in the video. Anyways, this morning what we're gonna do is add our last 2 motion springs in right here. And literally the head is all complete, guys. I put in a new VTC, obviously, as you guys saw in the earlier clip, and a new O-ring for the RBB module there. So everything's looking pretty good with the head. Clean the cams off. Everything's pretty much good to go to install. Just waiting on a few things, obviously. You guys can see the pretty much ports at the bottom where the valves are look decent. I might try to get some more carbon out of the area right there, but it's not really that big of a deal. Like I said before, if you guys need any part numbers, just let me know down below. But for the motion loss springs, this is the part number for the JDM K24A and the USDM K24A2. So I'm literally putting parts from a USDM, obviously, because I can't find JDM parts. So depending on your year of the head or whatever it is, but I'm going from a 2004, 2005 K24A2 USDM TSX motor. So everything has been fitting so far. Look at that brand new motion spring. Obviously, there's no oil down in the chamber right now, but when I do go to put this head back on the shore block, I'll put some oil in all the pretty much areas where the motion springs sit, so I can get some lubrication in there so it's not dry upon startup. Okay guys, all the new motion springs are officially in on the intake and exhaust side. But in terms of that, this thing's been just sitting inside, kind of chilling. I wish I had the short block in here too. Alright guys, gonna be a chill Sunday out. I'm just bringing the SI right now to get a car wash because obviously there's salt on the road. And the one time I bring this car out, I get all the grime on the side. So I want to get that all cleaned up. We're doing some data logging right now. Still running the E-Tune. Let me switch to the air fuel. Still running the E-Tune right now, and she's running pretty decent, so I'm just gonna stick with this tune obviously until I do the swap, and then I'll just use E-Tunes again to get a custom base map or a tune to get the K24 running. See on the dash, I've been driving this thing periodically, and there has been no steering rack light on, no EPS light. I'm not sure if it's because the temperature has been cold or whatnot, but I mean, everything's been decent so far. Just getting to the car wash right now. Look at that. Looking clean. That, guys, interior is all good. I gotta just put the floor mats in, but everything looks 100 times better. Damn, the coupe is looking clean as hell, guys. Had to put 10 bucks in real quick, as you can see. Now I'm about to head home and get the engine stand together. Thing that sucks, my headlights are like failing right now, so eventually I'm gonna have to get new headlights because mine are shot. But other than that, I mean, everything's looking pretty good right now, so. I apologize, this video literally has been all over the place, but I wanted to get something up for you guys. It's been 2 weeks since I posted, and I have a lot of fun when I do like random little vlogs like this. So let's get this engine stand unboxed. Here it is. Got the little Jegs engine stand. Assemble this thing up. 1,000-pound engine stand, guys. I got this thing for a steal. I think it was like 60 bucks or something. That got the little wheels right there. $60, guys. eBay. What you know about eBay? Here's the holders. Hardware comes. Oh, Jesus. Guys, all we gotta do is basically put these wheels on right here. Then we'll put a regular washer and our crush washer, and then the nut. This kind of goes in here and stops it from the whole thing not moving, which is kind of weird. But I mean, I guess it works.
Dude, look at this little thing. Holy crap.
Look at that, guys. I just need to... So I think the top is for the pin. Let me grab it. The top has got to be for the pin. So let's just... There it is. Locks right into place, guys. Got the huge bar on it. Now all we have to do, we're gonna put our mounting arms on here, guys. I got one of the mounting arms on there right now, nut on the back, and then I got the bolt with the washer on the front. So I'm gonna put the other three on. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna leave this thing freely right now, because I need to figure out where exactly I'm gonna be putting this stand. But I mean, honestly, for the money that I paid for it, it's super easy to assemble. It's pretty quality. It has a nice color to it. I mean, the styling looks good. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. What are you running for an engine stand? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I was gonna pull the tarp off for you guys, but you guys wanna know what's going on with the K24? Down there, I have the pretty much short block down there, obviously just chilling. A lot of you guys been asking, yo, Gerb, when's the K24 starting? When's the K24 starting? Yeah, my engine hoist stuff keeps popping up though with that. I have my new light, and then I'm gonna get a couple pieces of plywood for right there. So yeah, if you guys been wondering what's been going on with the K24, it's kind of been delayed, and I don't really need to explain what's up, you know.